जय जय राम कृष्ण हरी. बोला पुंडलिक वरदारी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय. Here, Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj told us about importance of sad days, and it's very required to in everyone life, because then only we'll come to know value of life, value of happiness. And telling like that, without toughness exam we can't tell the real diamond. Yes, if you want to prove ourselves, then must there have some bad days, some difficult situation in our life, then only we can show our strength. If there are the sad days, then we will start to find out how I will get happiness. If always we are having happiness only, or always we have everything whatever we need, then how can we try to get something? To know something, to get something, we must have to try. And there is one sentence, where is a need, there is a search. Whenever we will research, or when you will research, if you have any requirement, if you have any need, same thing. If there is a bad days, sad days, then only our reality or our strength will come out. Same thing, there is one diamond, one glass. How to know which is a real diamond? When we will put stone on that fake glass will be damaged, but real diamond will be still there. It can't damage. So that is the quality of diamond. And second thing, there is a sandalwood. How to know the sandalwood? Due to his smell. There are thousands of woods, means small pieces, and out of that, how to identify the sandalwood? So with smell. So it is a quality of sandalwood. Same thing, no need to tell how I am great, how I am a good. Automatically that good quality will come out, our world will come to know due to that smell. So just we have to do our work, we have to do our duty day by day, and one day definitely world will come to know that good quality. Real relationship value will come to know in difficult situation. We will always remember God whenever we are sad. Also, gold has more flash in the dust. Yes, with surrounding us, so many relatives are there, so many friends are there, but once sad days came in our life, in difficult situation, no one will be there, everyone will be spread. But some people, like our mother, our wife, our child, still there, they are thinking about our growth, they are thinking how we will come out from this situation. They are really worried about our bad days. So just give love to our mother, or whoever are trust in that type of situation on us. Give respect to all those people, because real relationship will come to know in bad days only. Because when we have property, when we have fame, means that popularity or money or that position, everyone will give respect. But if you don't have any position, and that time we can see no one will give respect. So here is the importance of sad days again, to come to know who are the real relative for us. That sad days is very important, and tell thank you to God. Due to this sad day, I come to know value of relative and real relative. Also, if gold we kept in gold, means there have so many gold pieces, and in that gold pieces only if you keep another one gold piece, then we will not come to know value of the gold, or that particular gold piece will not show his appearance. But there is a full soil, and in that soil one piece of gold is there, definitely will come to know, or that gold will more flash. So it's again importance of the sad days. Because if always we are the happy, no no different days or no changes in our life, then we will not come to know the value of every day. So come to know the value of life, value of every day, we must have some changes in life, and that is a God given that circle. Always we will not happy, someday will be bad, someday will good, that circle is going on. Because we will come to know both value. If sad is there, then only we will come to know happiness value. So sadness and happiness is the two part of one coin, or two sides of one coin. So both have value, and that's reason this life is going on. Without a truthfulness exam, we can't tell Sant or Sadhu to any human being. Moon looks more beautiful in the dark night, but in the daytime we can't see the moon. Yes, if we want to know the Sadhu or Sant, then just check in aloneness, when no one is there, how that Sadhu have behavior, or how they will do their self. Means actually Sadhu Sant, when are in the people, they are showing their greatness, they are telling big words, or they will tell how they come to know the God, like that. But when they are alone, that time we have to test them, what they are doing in aloneness. If they are doing Atma Chintana, if they are praying to the God, if they are doing whatever good deeds are there, then that is called a sadhu. But in aloneness, if they are simply wasting time in bad thinking or bad doing, then that is not the real sadhu. Same thing, moon value will come to know in dark night, but when day is there, we can't, means we unable to see the moon. So darkness is very important. Same thing, if any bad days came in our life, don't worry, we have to face, then only we will become tough, we will become strong, and we will become a real hero. Because open our history and see, all real hero made due to these bad days only, due to these sad days only. Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj told us, weapons have importance in the war. The same thing, devotee need to fight against bad thought with determination. Yes, why these many weapons required in our life? Because one day will come in our life when we have to fight against some bad human being. So same thing, in how my Krishna Paramatma told Arjuna, means that Shatru, enemy, are not outside, it's already existed in our heart, means our body only. Good thought and bad thought, these two type of thoughts are there, and with good thoughts we have to fight against bad thought. So this is one type of war, and here we have to use some weapons, and that weapons is called love, peace, forgiveness, and calm. Like that, through we have to fight against. They have pride, anger, attachment, lust, and greed. So if you fight against those enemy, then we will become hero, we will become fighter. And when it will become to know, when that war came in our life, so we must have to fight, or we must have to tell thank you to the God, because sadness is very important. Without sadness we can't show our means that quality of or our strength to the world. Ganeshnath, 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 Ganeshnath. बोला पुंडलिक वरधारी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय.